Hey guys, today we're going to talk about this new track from CARS2. It's from the Color Changers collection called Color Splash Speedway. And as you can see, it's a lot different from the previous Color Changers CARS1, which was a Ramon body art car wash. This one is more like a racetrack. It comes with one car. It measures 24 by 12 inches. But before, let's open the cars. We have Francesco Bernoulli in a pinkish color, and also Lightning McQueen all yellow. Really nice and different color, all yellowish. Francesco Bernoulli. This one is really different. It looks really strange, all pinkish. But still, looks pretty awesome. So now let's open the box. And like I said, it also came with one car, Finn McMissile. Comes with instructions in English. Okay, so let's start building this track. First, let me show you how the track works. Here we have cold water, and in this one is hot water. This is supposed to dry the car. This track is really awesome. Kinda messy, but you know, just have a towel nearby and you have hours and hours of fun. It also comes with this brush so you can customize your car, but it doesn't seem to work that well. Now I'm going to show you just the color changes. This is hot water and this is cold water. It would be amazing if we have this technology for real cars. By the way, the colder the water, the faster your car is gonna change the color. This is supposed to be a spin dry. I don't think it dries, but it's pretty cool. Alright guys, like I said, I'm sure any kid's gonna love this one. It's really awesome. It's called Color Splash Speedway from CARS2. Alright, see you next time.